What's up everybody, it's Say M, and welcome back to the channel. Now let's be real, we live in a world absolutely dominated by technology. It's everywhere. But how much do we really understand about the tech that powers our lives? In this video, we're breaking down some basic technology concepts to give you a solid foundation. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to brush up on your tech knowledge, this video's for you. We'll be covering everything from the definition of technology itself to the different types, the basic components of computers, and even dive into some emerging tech that's shaping our future. So, if you're ready to demystify the world of tech, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly technology? We throw that word around a lot, but it's more than just the latest gadgets. In simple terms, technology is the practical application of scientific knowledge. It's about taking what we know about the world and using it to create tools, systems, and processes that solve problems and make our lives easier, more efficient, or even just more entertaining. Think about it. The wheel, the printing press, the internet. These are all prime examples of technology. They've revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with each other. And the crazy thing is, technology is constantly evolving. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. And that's what makes this field so exciting. Understanding the core concept of technology is key to appreciating its impact on our lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the software that powers our businesses, technology is the driving force behind so much of what we do. And as we move further into the 21st century, its influence is only going to grow. Now, technology isn't just one big thing. It branches out into a ton of different categories, each with its own unique focus and applications. Let's break down some of the major types you should know. First up, we've got information technology, or IT. This is all about using computers and software to manage, process, and store information, and it's the backbone of countless industries. Then there's communication technology, which is all about transmitting information. This includes everything from your smartphone and the internet to satellites and radio waves. Basically anything that helps us connect with each other. We also have biotechnology, which uses biological systems and living organisms to develop new technologies in healthcare, agriculture, and more. And of course, we can't forget mechanical technology. This branch focuses on designing and building machines, from cars and airplanes to robots and everything in between. These are just a few examples, and the lines between them are often blurred. But understanding these different types gives you a better grasp of the sheer breadth of the tech world. Let's face it, computers are the heart of the modern tech world. So let's break down the fundamental components that make these machines tick. First off, we've got hardware, which refers to the physical parts of a computer you can actually touch. This includes the monitor that displays information, the keyboard you use to input data, and the central processing unit, CPU, the brain of the operation. Then there's software, which is the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Think of it like this. Hardware is the body, and software is the brain. Operating systems like Windows or macOS control the basic functions of your computer, while applications like web browsers and word processors let you perform specific tasks. Understanding the interplay between hardware and software is crucial for troubleshooting issues, optimizing performance, and just having a better grasp of how computers work. Plus, knowing your way around these components can be super helpful when you're buying a new device or upgrading your current setup. Chapter 4. The Internet, your gateway to the digital world. Okay, we can't talk about technology without mentioning the Internet, the vast network that connects billions of devices worldwide. It's how we communicate, access information, consume entertainment, and so much more. But how does it actually work? Imagine a global network of interconnected computers, all sharing information with each other. That's the Internet in a nutshell. To access this wealth of information, we use web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. These applications allow us to visit websites, which are essentially collections of web pages hosted on servers connected to the internet. And of course, no discussion of the internet would be complete without mentioning email, the OG digital communication tool that lets us send messages and files electronically. The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with the world. It's a powerful tool for education, entertainment, and connecting with people across the globe. But it's important to use it responsibly and be aware of the potential risks, which we'll touch on later. Chapter 5. Emerging Technologies, a glimpse into the future. The tech world is constantly evolving, with new innovations popping up all the time. So let's dive into some of the emerging technologies that are shaping the future. First up, we've got artificial intelligence, or AI. This field focuses on creating intelligent systems that can learn, reason, and solve problems like humans. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already making its mark. Then there's blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But blockchain is more than just digital currency. It's a secure and transparent way to record and verify transactions, and it has the potential to revolutionize industries like finance, supply chain management, and even voting. And finally, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT. This refers to the growing network of everyday devices, from refrigerators to thermostats, that are connected to the internet. The IoT allows for seamless communication between devices, making our homes and cities smarter and more efficient. Chapter 6. The impact of technology on society. Now, it's impossible to overstate the impact technology has had on society. It's transformed the way we communicate, learn, work, and even receive healthcare. Let's start with communication. The internet and mobile devices have made it easier than ever to connect with people across the globe. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have created entirely new ways for us to interact and share our lives. Education has also been revolutionized by technology. Online learning platforms and educational apps provide access to a wealth of information and resources. Students can now learn from anywhere in the world at their own pace. And in healthcare, technology has led to groundbreaking advancements in medical imaging, minimally invasive surgeries, and personalized medicine. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Technology also presents challenges like data privacy concerns, the spread of misinformation, and the potential for job displacement due to automation. It's crucial to be aware of both the positive and negative impacts of technology as we continue to integrate it into our lives. Chapter 7. Basic digital literacy skills. Navigate the tech world with confidence. In today's digital age, basic digital literacy skills are essential. This means being able to navigate the web effectively, use software applications, and stay safe online. Let's start with web navigation. Knowing how to use search engines, evaluate websites for credibility, and protect your personal information online is crucial. Next up, software applications. From word processing and spreadsheet software to graphic design and video editing tools, being comfortable with a range of applications can boost your productivity and creativity. And finally, online safety. It's vital to be aware of online threats like phishing scams, malware, and cyberbullying. Using strong passwords, being cautious about what you click on, and keeping your software up to date can go a long way in protecting yourself. Developing these basic digital literacy skills will empower you to navigate the digital world with confidence and make the most of the incredible opportunities technology has to offer. Remember, technology is a tool, and like any tool, it's important to know how to use it effectively and safely. So, there you have it, a crash course in basic technology concepts. We've covered a lot of ground, from the definition of technology to the different types, the components of computers, the vast world of the internet, and even touched on some emerging tech that's shaping our future. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of technology is constantly evolving, with new innovations and discoveries happening all the time. I encourage you to keep learning, exploring, and staying curious about the tech that surrounds us. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech content, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. As always, thanks for watching.